more, less and equal to 1. Count the beads and write the number. Put the correct sign, greater than, less than, equal to in the blank. Let's count the orange beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 beads. Let's count the green beads. 1, 2. 2 beads. 8 beads are more than 2 beads. The crocodile opens its mouth towards the big number. Count the yellow beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 yellow beads. Now count the pink beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 pink beads. 7 is less than 10. Counting the blue beads. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 blue beads. Counting the red beads. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 red beads. 4 blue and 4 red beads. These are equal. Count the green beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 green beads. Count the purple beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 purple beads. 5 is less than 9.